Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. They had pullback yesterday, bouncing back this morning on the news that the USA just approved a $1.2 trillion spending bill, which is crazy. 1.2 trillion. It's 50% of the entire crypto market. They just signed. The bill was put forward, and within 10 hours signed. It was a tenth of some 1,000 pages that they couldn't even read, and with the stroke of a pen, they signed into existence $1.2 trillion, 50% of the crypto market. So if you're still against Bitcoin, or you think that holding US dollars or any of your other fake currencies is a good idea, you're wrong, and you're gonna, I hope it's up to you. It's up to you. I give you this information. It's your choice what you do with it. And anyone, by the way, if you post anything negative to me, if you message me anything that's not like a good criticism or something that I can improve on, or if it's just an insult, I'll instantly ban you, and you'll lose the knowledge of my 23 years. And I only want to help people who deserve to be helped. I only want to teach people that are going to go on to be gurus, that are going to go on to help the world, bring peace to the world, bring abundance to the world. Anyone bitching, anyone complaining, anyone posting negative things in the comments, in the groups, you're just going to be banned, and you can go off on your negative life. I only want to teach future gurus to be abundant. I don't want idiots to have lots of money. I want very smart, good people to have lots of money. So I'm glad I just want people to realize that. So if you have some negative message, if you think you're going to post something that's going to insult me, I just ban you and you lose this chance. If you want to take the chance, learn from me as much as you can. Be responsible for yourself and learn. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to the technicals. By the way, my account over 800 this morning, which is beautiful. Going into the charts, Bitcoin had a pullback yesterday and then a strong bounce. And I'm very sorry to hear what's happening in Moscow. There's some terror attack in Moscow. Peace, de-escalation, all your country's names are bullshit, guys. If you think you come from a country or that you're associated with your country's name, you were born on Earth, and all the names you give yourselves, whatever country, creed you give yourselves, is all bullshit. It's all been programmed into you, so you hate each other and fight each other, but it's all bullshit. Like, you're born on Earth. Don't die for some bullshit names and some bullshit drawings on a map that some idiot 400 years ago or 1,000 years ago drew on the map. It's all bullshit. Just enjoy life as much as you can. Big support here. You can see multiple joining of supports at 60,500 or even 61. I don't think we pull back much below this, to be honest. There's just so many support joining. Also, this is a descending channel. That's kind of getting tight, that usually will pop out. Also, if you zoom out a little bit onto the daily on Bitcoin, so each candle represents one day in Bitcoin, it looks like a huge giant bull flag kind of starting to form here, right? Everyone see this? Huge giant bull flag starting to form. If that plays out, the target of this bull flag from the base to the pole is the distance that you'll move. So we're talking a move that takes us to 187,000, and that was my original target also. That's the trade I'll take on Bitcoin. So first 88 and then 115, but I would take big profits at 88. Just keep that in mind. This is the trade I'll take on Bitcoin. But does it get there is the question. Does it come down to the 61K? Does it come down to the 61K? I don't think so. Look at the 4-hourly. Huge hammer candles. 3 hammer candles in the row, everyone. 3 hammer candles. Hammer candles, if you know what that means, if you've taken the crypto master course, it's nice. So okay, I would open trade from here on a little bit of a pullback, but I don't think you get it, but it's possible. Opening 62,000, which also lines up with the 200 moving average, this blue line, this 200 weekly moving average, EMA ribbon, 200 weekly moving average. So I would take it from there. 62,790, stop loss 61,752. Too big of a stop loss. Let's do it right onto the 200 moving average. 62561, 61926. So stop loss 61,926, open 62,561. Take profit 87K and 115K. Risk reward 83 times, risking $635 to make $53,000 per Bitcoin with zero leverage. So if you buy one Bitcoin at that price, if you open a trade at 61,926 and you put 62,561, sorry, and you put one Bitcoin, you're risking $635 on the stop loss to make $53,000 on the profits with no leverage. With 10x leverage, it's $530,000 profits. Oh, I like that strategy, what I said, to ban anyone that I don't want to be that's like a bad. No, you have I want people to be gurus and I want them to learn. But anyone negative, anyone saying just hurtful, negative stuff that's not anything that's constructive, I will just ban because I feel that they don't want to learn this information. So this is the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. Again, risk to reward is 83 times, risking 635 to make 53,000 with no leverage, 10x leverage, 530,000. My Bitcoin, I've got $802,000 in Bybit, $802,190, and I can spend it directly from my debit card as well. This is my real money. I can spend it directly from my card that's connected to my account. So you can see here inside my account, I can spend on my debit card. It depends how, 31,000 euro. I've already spent this year 9,000 euro. And you can see I can just move money from my spot or whatever to the funding account and spend whatever I want. 801,000. I've got a Ethereum trade, 60 Ethereum, $6,500 in the profits, and I've got this 4 Bitcoin trade open, $150 in the profits. I'll add one more Bitcoin. I think I'm going to add one more Bitcoin on this 61 on my trade open. 62561. Let's add another 0.5 Bitcoin. Is this on derivatives? 1 second. Yep. 62561. 625 0.5 Bitcoin. It's going to add it at 62561. It will add another 0.5 Bitcoin. So I'll have total in this account 4.5 Bitcoin on this trade. I've also got buy orders for Ethereum at 2,400, 2,900. I'll buy 12 Ethereum, 2,900, buy another 6 Ethereum, WorldCoin $5.30, $6.10, Bitcoin 59,000, will buy 1 Bitcoin, Bitcoin 57. This is my spot. And inside my spot, I'm holding 1 Bitcoin, 63,000. I've got 339,000 US dollars. I've got $62,000 of Ethereum. I've got $60,000 of Doge, which is up 4%. Doge holding on really strongly. MCRT, I've got 51,000. I'm going to buy more Doge. Why? I think Elon is going to announce something soon because they're getting all these money transfer license all around the USA. Why is X getting all money transfer license? He said, oh, massive inverse head and shoulders on the 4-hourly on Doge. If you know what that means, if you've taken the Crypto Master course, nice, 19-cent target. Buying more Doge right now. I'm going to buy another $30,000 of Doge at the current price. Boom. Nice, my orders are executing, so buying another $30,000 of Doge. And if you want to, you can join us in the Telegram as well. There's 104 of you online. The calm before the storm. People, the U.S. House passed $1.2 trillion spending bill. So again, the money printers. And I asked the competition. And you can just see there's 104 of you online sharing charts, sharing ideas. Anyone here, James YouTube channel, if you follow my YouTube channel, you get my live stock trades. So if you would have seen that, and you can just see many people commenting, many people. And I also made a competition yesterday on Twitter for $100 US. I've got 85,000 followers on X. This was my video yesterday. $1 trillion used to be a lot of money for our government. Our debt is constantly compounding. Every emergency will be larger than the last. There's a 10% discount on all your courses. You can follow there. MCRT is having a giveaway for an AI image generation competition. And you can follow that to win 330 dollars worth of MCRT. Inverse head and shoulders forming. So I made a competition yesterday. Magicraft coming first. MCRT is coming first for Web3 gaming, blockchain games with growing addresses. So number of players. Good job, Muxit, the CEO. What's forming on the 4-hourly on Bitcoin? The answer was, I'll choose the winner of 100 USDT. Follow me here, Telegram, Instagram, on YouTube to win. I'm going to pick the winner from Telegram. Everyone said, a lot of people said the winner, a lot of the comments, we had 70, how many people replied? We had 177 replies and 15,000 views, and all inverse head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders. The answer I saw here, a little bull flag. See this tiny little bull flag? But it is also correct, inverse head and shoulders, but it didn't actually play out. It broke down, and the bull flag broke down, but there was a small little bull flag there. That's what I saw, but it actually invalidated, and Bitcoin broke down a little bit and then moved up. Like if we zoom into the 4-hourly on Bitcoin, Bitcoin, you can see that bull flag failed and it dropped down. It was a bull flag, but everyone said inverse head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders. I was trying to say bull flag, but it was also an inverse head and shoulders. Let's see if someone said bull flag. Actually, I'll pick the winner here just because I'm already showing it. Otherwise, I have to scroll through and look through the Telegram. The next one I'll try and pick in the Telegram. Inverse head and shoulders. Did anyone say bull flag? Everyone said inverse head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders. It is also an inverse head and shoulders, but the one I was looking at was bull flag. I want to give it to someone who said bull flag just because they saw what I saw. But again, it did also have an inverse head and shoulders, but it failed. And the bull flag also failed. No one said bull flag. Dude, just liquidated. Hit stop loss. That trade would hit stop loss. Stop loss is good, guys. If you think you're going to win every single trade, you're just gambling and you have no idea what trading is. You need to have tight stop losses. Inverse head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders. No one said bull flag. Whoa. No one? Inverse head and shoulders, cup and handle, inverse. Guys, take the courses. You should have seen this little bull flag that was forming on the 4 hour. Even though it did fail, it did both of those invalidated. Both inverse head and shoulders invalidated and bull flag invalidated. Bull pennant or bar pattern on the 4 hour, forming bull pennant. Bull flag, it wasn't a bull pennant. Bull pennant makes a triangle on the head. Inverse head and shoulder cup and bull flag. Scott, congratulations, Scott. You're the winner of 100 USDT. I'm gonna congratulations to you, Scott. We'll send that 100 USDT. I'll follow you so we can message. Congratulations, Scott Beckham. You just won 100 USDT, which is beautiful. If you want to do all of this, everyone, underneath the video, go down below. One is the exchanges that I use. Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus. And if you use this link, you join the gurus. And you can also go in the chance to win the prizes that I give away on Bybit. I've given away like $9,000. I think I've given away $9,000 so far this year. Or last... from this account. $8,000 I've given away from this, but I also gave away some Bitcoin from here. I think also $8,000 from there. To take the courses, the crypto masterclass, you learn all this and you learn it in depth, and make sure you take it before you join the Telegram. And yeah, I just bought another $30,000 of Doge. So right now I'm holding Doge. It's showing a lot of strength, Doge. It didn't pull back much yesterday. Right now I'm holding how much? $89,000 of Doge. Let's bring it up to $100,000. I'll buy another $11,000 of Doge, just so I got a clean 100K in there on Doge. Boom. And I wish for you guys to be able to just move around 100,000 of Doge. I want you to learn from me so you're able to move hundreds of thousands of dollars away. If you saw my video a few days ago, I moved like 400K trading around. Love you all. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. And this was my warning to anyone. Any negativity, any bad comments, any rude comments that are not constructive criticism, I will instantly ban you and you will not get these lessons. And I want to give the gurus abundance. I want to give people abundance. I don't want to give idiots or mean or evil people abundance. And so be good. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.